So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the products that I use on my body. Starting from my body wash, body scrub, body lotions, oil, oral care, in no particular order, perfumes and all of that. So if you're looking to get a glowing skin, or maybe have a hint, like this is how my skin look like, even though I have black spots here, you know. There's nothing like a perfect skin. Let me just tell you now, so you don't go and say, oh, you have this one problem and you want to kill yourself. Anyways, let's jump right into this video. Anyway, starting from my body washes, all the things that I use to wash my skin. So for my body wash, I use this Neutrogena. This is Body Clear Body Wash. This is by Neutrogena. And also I use this Fair and White body soap, this one. I also use Cape Brothers. So it depends on how my mood is. I might decide to use these two, at the same time, these two to wash. I might decide to use this two. It just depends. I don't have any procedure. It must be this, or sometimes I can even just use only this one or only this one. It just depends. So the next one is my body scrub. This one, this is shea sugar scrub. They say this is sugar scrub, but actually it tastes like salt because sometimes it enter my mouth. So I use this to scrub my skin twice in a week. I use it on my face as well, but not so. Don't make it to be so hard because it might actually give you micro tear or break your skin barrier when you use it so often. So sometimes I can even use it on my skin, on my body, and not use it on my face. So this is the body scrub I use. So how I do it is that I use my hand glove, put it on it, then scrub all over my body. It's so nice. If you don't use body scrub and you're doing skincare, you have not started. I'm just telling you this for free. If you're buying expensive products and you're not using body scrub, you have not started. Take it from me. Anyways, let's go to the next. So for my deodorants, my roll-on and all of that, I use this one for men. This one will keep you smelling nice. In fact, this is supposed to be 72 hours, just how they said. That's just what they said. That's exactly what it is. And this will keep you smelling like pearl, just like what they sell. This is also Nivea Pearl and Beauty. Very, very nice. I also use Shore. This will keep you dry all day long, all day long. So see, even if you're not using soap to shower, even if you don't have soap, even if you're not beating you must be using deodorant, okay? Because I don't want to see you in keke or on public transport. Me and you, we are sharing the same seat and you're smelling. I can't handle it. My nose is too sensitive. So make sure you wear your deodorant every day. Even when you shower at night, make sure you're wearing deodorant, okay? So the next one on my list. So the next one is this. I'm actually not a perfume freak, guys. Let me just put that out there. I'm really not a perfume freak, but this is what I'm using. I think this is a gift from my cousin, and my cousin also dashed me this. Different cousins. See, I have the best cousin in the world. So this is what I use. This is not all the perfumes that I have, but this is what I use on the go. Okay, I have other perfumes. I can't start looking for them now. So for my body mist, this is what you put on your skin. These two combo leave my skin smelling like a piece of cake. Let me just say. So guys, these two body mist, oh my god. If you're not using these two things, I don't know what you're using. Honestly, I have a lot of body mist. In fact, I do sell them. I sell body mist. This one is Victoria's Secret and this one is Sugar Baby. Like, this two combo is too good. I don't even know how I'm going to replace these two again, but this is what I use on my skin. Moving on to the next one is what I use on my body. After using this one to scrub, I forgot to mention, I also use this with my soap, I have to get this body shining. What are we here for if you're not making this body look good? Anyways, for my oral care, I use Long Reach. This one is so good. I've used other toothpastes, this thing. They don't keep my mouth the way I want it, but this one, just use it twice in a day. Nothing can make your breath stink in any way. This one, and don't forget to use your tongue scraper as well. So for my skin, I have used this body lotion for the longest time. I've used this body lotion for more than 5 years. I have the serum for face, I have the corrector. I think it's somewhere. I also have the, I showed you guys the soap, the body oil. But recently, I started noticing that this product is no longer doing what they promised. Do you understand? And on top of it, it is also very expensive. I still have a little bit left here, but I just say, why would I be spending that much for cream that is not giving me what it used to give? You know, it really breaks my heart. Like I really like this body lotion a lot. But since I've not been very constant. I want to say, oh, this is the body lotion that okay, previously this is what I used early this year. Okay, I used this too, not this particular one, the last one that finished before this product. It was giving me everything I wanted. But recently I started using this one and I don't have any complaint. The only thing I would say about this product is that in fact both of them, if you're using it, you really need a very good body oil to pair it with, because this body lotion is like I think it's more of water based. So when you put it on your skin, it doesn't like it. In fact, it might even look like you've not put anything at all on your skin when it dries. So it's good that you pair it with a very good body oil. But I don't know, I might still go back to this body lotion maybe later, but for now this is what I use. And this is the body oil I pair it with. This is the castor oil. I use the vitamin C one, which I absolutely love. This can easily absorb. If you are kind of person who say, oh, I don't like oil because it can make me sweat, I promise you this oil will not make it even drop a single sweat. I'm telling you the fact. Like even me myself, I didn't know. See, I just put this body lotion and everything is dry. Can you see there's no atom of shine? So what I usually do is I will just put I'm just going to put a drop of body oil, you know, because when you're going out and you're staying out for a long time, you're supposed to. Do you see any difference? I don't know if you can see any difference, sharp. That's what I do. So yeah, that is it for my body. I've shown you the things that I use for my body. So for now, I don't have any problem with this body lotion, but I think I will still go back to this one, but that will be later when they have started making the original. So the last one but not the least is my face products, the things I use on my face. This is toner. This is toner by Neutrogena. Okay, I use it on my face for the most part, not every day. And this is Cosrx Advanced Nail. I use this one as well on my face, not every day. This is the face cream that I use. This is Dr. Rush. I don't know, people say, oh, this face cream do make them dark, you do break them out. I mean, this is what I use. Like, how is it breaking me out and how is it making me, I don't know, people with their different skin wahala. Anyways, I use it with the face serum. I use this one every morning and night. Okay, I use this one only at night. Yeah, so I put it on top. So I don't wear all these things. I keep my skin routine because one time, in fact, not early this year, last 2 months, my skin barrier got broken. So I'm still trying to get it together. So because of that, I put my skin routine, my face routine especially, very simple, like very simple. So right now I'm sticking to these two products. After my toner, I have product for my, this is what I use to cleanse. Because it has salicylic acid, I don't use it often. Okay, so after it, I put on my toner, then I wear this product, these two products. That's how I do it. I don't put everything on at once just because I have them. No, at least these ones are working for me. Then I also have this Dr. Rational white skin, whatever, effect spot. I don't use this one often just because the actives in here, I do not want to compromise it with this one. This one, the only active here is vitamin C, which is for brightening my face and it's doing the job. This one, the actives here is arbutin and niacinamide, which also brighten the face. So imagine putting two actives together on one face. No, I don't want to do that. So I will use this one until it finishes before I can use it, or I might never use this one. I might dash it out. I've used it before too. I might just give it out. So the next product I use on my face most nights is this one. This is Koji Clear because of the spots that I have on my face. So this one is a very nice one. I used this one when I was having I had a lot of acne all over my face, here, you know. So this one is one of the products I used then, and I guess it worked, so that's why I went back. So I also have this product. This one is hyaluronic acid. So this is just to keep your face hydrated. So I think that is all that I use every day. I have a whole, if I start bringing out all my skincare products, I don't think we will go today. But this ones that I just show is what I use every single day. Like there's no day except something like this one that I have stopped using. I've not even used it. I've not used it up to 3 times. So I have stopped using this one. Every other one I use them every single day as the case may be. Okay. So these are all the things that I use on my skin. If you need any of these products, don't forget I'm your best skincare vendor. On the screen is my Instagram handle. Send me a direct message so that we can start talking to get your skin glowing, get your skin off the ground. Okay. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video.